So, you want to invest in real estate? Bravo, well done, nice move. But hold on, before you make that move, there are a few things I think you should look out for before you put your money in real estate. You've worked so hard for that money. You've worked tirelessly. Some of you work 5 jobs just to make that capital come through. Will it be wise to just throw it all away in the name of making an investment? Remember that an investment that is not safe and secure is no investment, it is giveaway. So before you invest in that land, before you put that money in a property, I think it's wise to follow these steps I'm about to show you. Number 1, it is important that you check the location you are investing in. Why is that? You need to know where your land will be, or where your land is going to be. You need to know the location. Where is the location? What are the common things when it comes to challenges, when it comes to landmarks, when it comes to infrastructure? What are the things that are critical about that location? So take, for example, a location that is prone to flooding might be a real estate location, but is it the right location for you to invest? Obviously not. So you want to check, what are the things that are critical about this location? Is the property along a major road? Is it along a minor road? How accessible is this property? How do you get to your property? Are you going to get there by road? Are you going to get there by walking? Are you going to get there by air? Are you going to get there by boat? You need to know the location. Another factor you should consider is the topography. Is that property a dry property? When I say dry property, we say dry, quite alright. But what we mean is, does it have a dry topography? Does it have a solid topography? Something you should also look at. Is it a wetland? Is it marshy? Is it flooded? These are things you should know, or you should have an idea of. So not to say that a dry property is better than a wet property or a marshy property, all right, when it comes to topography. What we just mean is that it is important for you to know, so that you know the measures to take when you want to develop. Another factor you should consider when investing in real estate is the property genuineness. When I say property genuineness, I mean the genuineness of the documents backing that property. There are a few you can check. We have the survey plan, we have the deed of assignment. These are very important documents that should be available when buying a property. You should be able to know for sure that the person handing that land over to you in form of purchase is the right person to do that. It's also wise to investigate who the previous owners of this property are or were before you indulge, before you put your money on the ground. Do not forget that you can reach out to credible personnel to help you do a search at the local land registry wherever you are buying your property. It could be in Abuja, it could be in Lagos, it could be anywhere. Every location has a land registry where you can do a proper search. It is wise to ask someone to help you take coordinates of the land for you to do a proper search. It helps you know if that location is committed or free. When we say committed, a committed land is a land that the government has an interest in, while a free land simply says that that land is free for communal living. All right, these are important things you should check out for when investing or when looking to buy a property. Check. When you have checked, you can also recheck, do a double check. Reach out to credible real estate consultants that can help you through this land process, this land purchasing process. Remember that an investment that is not safe is not an investment at all. You have worked so hard for your money. It is wise to properly check a property before you buy. Do not forget that in the process of paying for your property, that an agreement is very important to have. You should have an agreement where all parties duly appends their signature and their names on it. Do not also forget to hire the service of a lawyer if need be. I hope I have been able to convince and not confuse you that whenever you need to invest in real estate, it is important to check, to ask questions, to do your due diligence.